Ever imagined wearing the future right on your face? Well, the TCL RayNeo X2 makes that vision a reality. These aren't just glasses, they're a window into a new world of augmented reality. The RayNeo X2 features dual, full-color micro-LED displays built directly into both lenses. That means you can see directions, notifications, translations, or even your calendar right in front of your eyes, all while staying connected to the real world. Under the hood, they're powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform, delivering smooth performance whether you're navigating through a city, watching media, or multitasking on the go. And yes, you can take photos, record 1080p videos, and answer calls, all hands-free with built-in microphones and speakers that actually sound good. The design is surprisingly lightweight and stylish. It doesn't scream tech gadget. So, are the TCL RayNeo X2 the future of wearable tech? They just might be. If you love discovering next-level gadgets and smart innovations, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.